Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to download and install resource packs for any version of Minecraft on your Mac. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to your favorite resource pack website. For this example, we're using mod.com. Scroll down or click on Discover Mods, then click on the Resource Pack tab at the top. Here's a list of available resource packs. It's important to filter these by your Minecraft version to avoid incompatibility issues. Scroll down until you find the game version on the left-hand side menu and select your Minecraft version. For this example, we're using 1.12.2. Now that they're filtered, select a resource pack. We're going with the Faithful 64 resource pack, so click on it. Once you're on the resource pack page, click on the Versions tab near the top, and then select the version for your Minecraft version, again, 1.12.2 in our case. Click the green download button and save the resource pack to your Mac. I'm saving it to my desktop for easy access. Now that it's downloaded, let's install it. Open your Minecraft launcher and make sure you've selected the Minecraft version you're using. That's 1.12.2 for us. Once Minecraft has opened, click on the Options menu, and then click on Resource Packs. From here, click Open Pack Folder. This will open your resource pack folder, which will look like this. Simply drag and drop your downloaded resource pack into this folder. Once you've done that, exit out of the resource pack folder. The resource pack should now appear in Minecraft. Click the arrow to move it from the Available column to the Selected column. Make sure the resource pack you want to use is at the top. This prioritizes it. If it's at the bottom, it won't work correctly. Now click Done. Minecraft will reload with the resource pack. You may notice that your Minecraft menus have changed to reflect the new resource pack. Click Done again, and let's play a Minecraft game. As you can see, the new resource pack is working. This one, Faithful 64, is based on the vanilla textures, but is a higher resolution and more detailed. We can now start playing Minecraft with our new resource pack, just as we normally would. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.